back to a new day of daily updates across all of the major dollar pairs. Starting off with DXY, EURUSD and GBPUSD. Looking at DXY on the daily time frame, we've had our break of structure, and this is our current swing range. We're still looking at this low getting taken before we see that upside continuation. However, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we might not get the perfect price action we are anticipating. We've had our 4-hour break of structure down, so that's our current swing range. We've liquidated all of these highs within the impulse, which has seen price start to stall. However, with the rejection of Iran's peace deal, we've seen DXY push up since market open, but what we can say is we've liquidated all of this consolidation here. So this could be the fuel now to start pushing us back up in towards the upside, maybe towards that daily point of liquidity. If we go on to EURUSD, what we can see on the daily time frame is we've had our break of structuring towards the downside, and this is our swing range. We've liquidated this high over here, which has then started to see some lower time frame structure start to form. I am still favouring one more drive though in towards the upside at some point to take out this liquidity, as I don't like these highs over here. If we move down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had our break of structuring towards the upside, and this is our swing range. We've liquidated these lows, so now this low over here is the only point of liquidity that remains open on the daily that we could see get taken out before seeing some upside. This is in line with what we are potentially seeing now in any setup that can arise. We've liquidated this high over here, and this could be the fuel to take us towards this daily point of liquidity. So I'll be looking for shorts this week on EURUSD. On GBPUSD, we've had our break of structuring towards the upside, and that's our swing range. We've liquidated this low before then seeing that structure shift on the lower time frame. However, if we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, after breaking market structuring towards the upside, we've then now broken market structuring towards the downside. So now I was looking for any shorts from this point of liquidity. However, we have now seen a break of this demand zone. So now this becomes supply, which I expect to push the market down towards these equal lows over here.